Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and even though I'm a young guy, I've been in property now for over a decade. I bought my first house when I was 17 years old, started from scratch, working class, humble beginnings. Now I'm a multi-millionaire. I own lots of houses all over the UK. I also own a castle, Ribsford House. I build houses from scratch. I teach people how to invest in property. I've got a construction company. So I'm doing very well financially. But here's the interesting thing. I just really enjoy sometimes going undercover and being like an undercover millionaire. I wear normal clothes. I live a pretty normal life. So I do challenges where I start again from scratch. I meet people. I do crazy things. And if you watch me on YouTube, you'll have seen some of the crazy challenges that I've done over the last couple of years. Started again from scratch, gone to America with no money. I've lived in people's houses that have had nothing and tried to work with them. So here's what's happening right now. I am planning on doing another big challenge for you guys on YouTube, and I want you to think about what you want me to do. You tell me to do it. If it sounds like a good idea, I am crazy enough, I have the time, I will just do it. So I want you to comment below, what crazy challenge do you want to see me do? Property related, finance related, maybe undercover. I don't know what you want me to do, but comment below because I'm open and I'm itching to do a new challenge. So I'm going to play right now. I'm going to put some of the footage from some of the old challenges on. Hopefully that'll give you some inspiration. It'll give you a bit of an idea about the kind of thing I enjoy doing. Comment below your ideas and I will do it.
I'm waiting for Samuel Leeds, you know?
You're going to be in this documentary. You're going to be like the voice of wisdom throughout. I need to be disguised. This is crazy. What do you think? London Bridge is falling down. People seem to like rent rooms all the time. It's not safe, this. I'm glad we had an Uber driver that understands property. What's going on here? Oh, this is a write-off. If we pull this off though, I think it'll be a bit of a miracle. He's got 10 of these houses. There's a lot to do. Am I allowed during the part of the challenge to spend money on stuff like that?
That's impossible.
Perfect candidate. Excuse me, would you want to go ahead? The door's open, really. All these are estate agents in the area. Oh my goodness, it's Chloe!
I mean, if you want to do that, yeah, that's cool, because actually I'm just in between things. So.
It's an incredible deal. I want to film as much of this as possible to show you guys. Take away all that stress. I'm just trying to work out, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, come on. If I can't get my hands on £1 million in this city, then I suck. Because, oh, I'm so sorry, man. I definitely suck.
Oh man, it does disgusting.
This better not go in the documentary. We're about to go to a village where we installed the water tanks, and it's a bit hilly. I think Amanda's shoes are gonna get absolutely destroyed. Man, is this risky.
How are your shoes?
Not bad, I mean, could be worse.
Could be way worse.
Yeah.
Okay, so the cheapest house is £130,000 and it's a boat. Hey, it's a long shot. Seems like in London every hour is rush hour. I think we're going to absolutely kill it in Stratford. You don't need an office. You just walk into a travel lodge, baby. That is very dangerous. All I need is £4,850. This is when magic's going to happen now. See you at 2:30. Bye. Okay. I'm struggling. That's renting for £500 a month. How would anyone rent that for £500? There's no floor space. This is harder than I thought. I'm getting leads now. You have to walk the ABC and then you figure out the XYZ. The owner didn't sound that friendly, did he? He really didn't. But I'm sure I'll charm him with my Midlands charm when we get there. Hello, I'm Lucas Ribby and I'm here today to learn about property. To be honest, I almost feel like I'm in a dreamland. I don't even know what day it is. I feel like I need to process what's going on. See, that's the thing, a school is not a building, a school is the people. I feel better. I'll get a free house. That's how easy it is. Hi, everybody. See, anyone could do this though, couldn't they? It's not complicated. It's just doing it. Thank you so much for watching the video. It's kind of interesting looking and seeing some flashback of some of the previous stuff that I've done. Really look forward to reading the comments in the description, and I'm going to be seeing what you want me to do next. Also, can I just say, real thank you from the bottom of my heart, because if it wasn't for you guys, for the subscribers, for the support, the love, the following, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. So thank you for subscribing, and I really do love you from the bottom of my heart. Please subscribe if you haven't already over here. Also, if you want to see the challenges, the full challenges, if you've not seen them yet, you can check out the financial freedom challenges that I've done right up here. And of course, if you'd like to meet me and spend a couple days with me at the Property Investors Crash Course, you can do that right here. Thanks so much. Peace out. I'll see you on the next video.